when is the right time to apply for your Singapore PR? So PR means I am referring to permanent residency application, or put it other way, after how much time you should apply for your PR. So just to clarify, majority of the PR applicants in Singapore, that is the people who apply for permanent residency, are from the professional and technical scheme, PTS scheme. That means they are primarily employment pass holders, S pass holders, and the dependents of obviously both these types of people. There are other routes also for Singapore PR, like the student route and also GIP, that is Global Investor Program. But majority of the chunk of these applicants come from this class, that is PTS scheme. So the question really is how much time you should wait before you should apply for PR. So this is considering the probability of success. Is there any specific time recommended? Now, before I move on to this presentation, I just want to highlight that information that I'm presenting here is based on my experience and not necessarily representation of any government authorities' views or the statistics declared by them. So let's move ahead. And even before we come to the main question, the first part that we need to understand is the policy objective. So government has got lot of other points also to handle. I mean, immigration is a very small matter for them, or it is one part of their big priorities like economy and exports and trade, employment and all that. So they have some of the policy objectives, and I will show you one website here. So this is the government of Singapore website, and one of the point raised here is what are the racial proportions among Singapore citizens. It is published in 10 December 2019, and what is mentioned here is that the racial proportions have remained stable and in line with the government's commitment to keep them stable. And currently, racial proportions are like this. So there are roughly 76.9% are Chinese, 14.9% are Malay, and 7.2% are Indian races, and 1.1% are other races. So if you understand this policy objective properly, then if 30,000 places are available for permanent residency in a year, then it is fair to expect same proportion will be maintained in those PR places also. But it is possible that if you consider the total pool of employment passes, S passes and dependent pass holders, then there might be more competition for some of the sectors. For example, in few weeks back, it was declared that because of digital nature of the economy and blockchain, fintech and IT focus, the percentage of employment pass holders from India has slightly increased. So it is possible that because of this specific situation, people who are Indian might find it a bit difficult to get PR and they might have to wait slightly longer. So considering this, what we recommend is you can generally apply for PR after 1 year of stay in Singapore. If you are Indian, then it is better to wait for maybe 2 or 3 years. And before you apply, have at least one complete year of IRS assessment. Also, if you are finding it very competitive, then while applying for PR, think through all your positive points and try to put forward to ICA in your application so that ICA can consider it and your chances are improved.
Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel today. PR Application is a leading immigration consultancy company in Singapore.